In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the font size on your Asana app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribing. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is open up the Asana app, and then you can see what my font size is currently set to. So it's set to this, and it's a little bit small for my liking. So in order to make it larger and easier to read, what we can do is head back and then click into our settings app. Now once you're inside the settings app, you want to scroll down and click into display, and again scroll down lower and tap into font size and style. Once you're inside font size and style, you will see a slider at the bottom of the page. So if I go ahead and move this slider to the right, it's going to increase the font size, and likewise if I move this slider to the left, it's going to decrease the font size. So have a play around with where you want to set this slider to. So I suggest keeping it to the right hand side. So I like this size that it's currently set to. So now what I'm going to do is head back to Asana, and you'll see the Asana app font size has been changed accordingly.